How to connect second PS5 controller to PS5. Let's get started. Today I'm going to show you how to connect a second PS5 controller to your console so you can enjoy multiplayer gaming with your friends and family. Let's dive right in. First things first, grab your primary controller and press the PS5 button to access the PlayStation settings. Scroll down to Accessories and select General, then navigate to Bluetooth Accessories. Now it's time to add your second controller. Hold down the button in the top left corner and the middle PlayStation button simultaneously until the controller starts flashing blue. This indicates that it's in pairing mode. Once your second controller appears in the list of available devices, select it and confirm registration. After registration, you may need to perform a quick update. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. Once the update is done, you'll see a prompt asking you to assign the controller to a user profile. Choose the appropriate profile and you are all set. And there you have it. Your second PS5 controller is now connected and ready to go. Whether you are gaming solo or with friends, having an extra controller on your hand opens up a world of multiplayer possibilities. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more gaming tips and tutorials. Until next time, happy gaming!